Watch this! Did you know there's a parrot that can grow up to 3 feet long? The hyacinth macaw is the largest parrot by length in the world, reaching up to 3 feet from the tip of its tail to the top of its head. But size isn't their only superpower. With a bite force of 300 pounds per square inch, these birds can crack open coconuts like they're peanuts. Native to the lush regions of Central and Eastern South America, these vibrant blue beauties are as strong as they are stunning. So, next time you think parrots are all about mimicking voices, remember the hyacinth macaw, nature's very own coconut-cracking superhero.